garden is a reflection of you. It's your presence in the world by Julie Newmar. I think that pretty much describes what my garden is looking like right now. It has been neglected. I've been traveling, working. I've been go, 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 go. So unfortunately, my garden has been neglected. Look at those beautiful blooms when I was taking care of it. And you can see the calmness, the tender care that's been given to each blooms versus now I would say is the neglect and not being there to provide fertilizer and propane. And it's been crazy hot. It's been like triple digits here in Florida, so it has been very hot and everything has taken a toll. Either it's been super hot or it's been raining like crazy. So it's been a very crazy weather this year. I thought last year was hot, but this year has definitely been a lot warmer. Some plants have survived, like this one was loving the sun. So you will see some of the plants that I will show you that did like the heat and did do a pretty good job. The supertunias, they were not having it, and they need to be fertilized every week. I wasn't here to be able to fertilize them, so they didn't make it at all. But you can definitely tell though that the calmness that I have is gone because when you travel and work so much, you do get stressed. There is chaos in your life. So like gardening is so relaxing and it takes you to a level where you're more grounded. And I'm happy to say I just want to show you guys this video because I want you to see what it looks like. And sometimes a lot of people who are in warmer climates, you may experience this as well, and this has to do with not watering and fertilizing it enough and taking care of it. But if you don't do that, this is what will happen to your garden. Also, I have actually taken up all the plants that are dying or is dead, and I'll show you that in my next upload. So make sure you subscribe to see that video when I post it. But I just want to show you what it looks like before I take up all the dead ones. And the supertunias are annuals, so they've been going since January. You can go back to my previous garden tours. You will see that they were there since January holding on. So they did last a long time, so I was happy about that. Another thing that I'm gearing up for is fall. So I have to get these plants out the way anyways to get ready for my fall plants. So like I said, subscribe and you will be sure to see those new videos coming up because I'm gonna get my fall plants started soon. And look at this. I'm still like, I'm so sad for my garden, guys. Like, even my decor that I had up, you can still see I had my patriotic decor from May. So the last time I really got a chance to be in my garden and look at this beautiful flowers and really take care of it and give it TLC was back in May. So it's been 3 months. This is what 3 months of not really being there for your flowers. This is my hydrangea, just in a comparison looks like. So get out there, guys. Take care of yourself. And gardening helps calm and relax yourself. And if you find that you don't have time for gardening and it's too much, maybe that's a sign that hey, you need to slow down and take a break. And that's what I'm doing now. I'm slowing down and getting back to my gardening. I'm so happy to be back in the garden, so I'm super excited about that. But take a look at the other pictures and videos and see if you've been following me, all your favorite plants to see how they survived in the heat. And this will give you an idea of what plants will work in your zones. I'm in zone 9. So if you're in zone 9 and higher, this will help you figure out, okay, this will do good with little care. And I have sprinkler systems, so it does water it. And oh my goodness, this is the shade garden. The weeds had gotten out of control. All the bushes grew back. This is what it looks like when I had cut them down initially. Well, they started growing back here, but it's a lot. So I'm just going to stick with the front garden for now because of my hectic schedule. I think I can only manage one part of my garden for now, but definitely stay with gardening, guys. Like, stick with the flowers that give you so much calm. Like, when I went back in the garden, my mind was so relaxed and I was at so much peace. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't